Hi, it's Alan Ruddock from the Guildford Hub here. Our next session is on the 2nd of March, and it's all about planning your customer journey. Your customers' choices as they move towards becoming a customer are not as obvious as you might think. So if I'm on this walk and I see somebody coming towards me in the direction of the arrow, it may seem obvious to me that they should come towards me. But if I look at it from their perspective, they see different paths. And the same is true for your customers. In your business, you're blessed with the curse of knowledge of your business. You know everything there is to know. You know the steps you want your customers to take. They don't have that knowledge. So you have to make sure you make it very obvious to them what the baby steps are that you want them to take to becoming a customer. What's obvious to us can be really confusing to our customers. And that's what this session is all about, trying to demystify and create that ideal customer journey. So join us on the 2nd of March at 10 o'clock and start planning your customer journey. Scan the QR code to book on.